Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Visual Studio 2019. It's pretty much simple. We go to the Google, then we write Visual Studio. Then this first website is from Microsoft Visual Studio. Then here we install Visual Studio. Here what we need is the free one is for community we will download. We click it. Now download is completed. We're going to open our file. Visual Studio 2019. Just click the installations. Yes. We click continue. Now after finished, we came to screen. So this is everything. It just depends on your choice what you want to develop. For example, here for me, I develop ACP.NET with Core as like cross-platform. And other things, I choose this one. And I want to develop Windows Form application with C#. I click it. And then if you want to work with the data store, like SQL Server Management Studio, but on the Visual Studio, you can choose it. As I say, like everything depends on you and not cross-platform development. I choose all of them and I say install. Now we are going to restart our computer and then you can use Visual Studio Community 2019. Thanks for watching guys and subscribe my channel if you like. Bye.